Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching my video. I really just want to apologize for the appearance of my eyes because I didn't even realize that they were so irritated. I think these lashes was doing it because after I put them on, I could not stop rubbing them. I just thought it was allergies, but please. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look using a wig that I got sent to me from an Amazon company. Yeah. If there are any wig companies that would like to send me here to review, email me because I'm ready. Yeah. If you would like to see me unboxing, installing, and reviewing this hair, keep on watching. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how the wig came packaged. It came in a clear Ziploc bag, a wig cap, and also an eyeliner pen, which I thought was cute. So this is a full 13x4 lace frontal wig, which was great. Came with adjustable straps and 3 combs. And I just love how small the knots are.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? It's you, what we've been through. I miss you. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat. And we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the boat, working in the middle. I wanna ride the boat, working in the middle. So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? It's you, what we've been through. I miss you. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat. And we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the boat, working in the middle. I wanna ride the boat, working in the middle. Do you that's alright, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So it's you, what we've been through, I miss you.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I'll have to charge. You want the thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds to where you want. It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. You want me to teach the techniques that fix these boys. It can't be hard, just let these get caught. Watch if you're smart. Brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I'll have to charge. You want the thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds to where you want. It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. You want me to teach the techniques that fix these boys. It can't be hard, just let these get caught. Watch if you're smart. better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
The thing that makes me what the guys go crazy for. They lose their minds the way you want.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge.
You want me to teach the techniques that fix these boys. It can't be hard, just to make it hard. Watch if you're smart.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look, and I struggle with the curls because I slept on them, and it's never good to sleep in pin curls ever, so don't recommend. This hair is from an Amazon company named CSCHS. I don't know what it stands for, but that's the name on Amazon. And this is their 13x4 body wave lace frontal wig, 150 density in the inches 24. And I did cut a few inches off, so it might look a little shorter, but not bad. To be 150, it's not as thin as I thought it would be. It's definitely fuller than I thought, for sure, and it's definitely full from root to tip, so you don't have to worry about like thin ends. Also, this hair is very soft, like it feels like butter. It feels like butter. There's literally no tangling. There's no shedding, like none. Oh, there we go. Actually, I cut this. This don't even count. So yeah, if you guys like this hair, purchase. The lace on this wig is amazing. It blended very nicely, melted nicely. The knots were small. I did not bleach this wig. And it came pre-plucked, but I had to cut some of it off in the front because the hairline was too low. Also, I plucked a little bit more, but it's very unnecessary because, as you can see, yeah. So yeah, this is all the hair. This is all the hair pulled to the front. I am not about to recurl this piece. We're about to tuck her in because I'm not doing it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you like this wig, I'm gonna leave it linked in my Amazon storefront for you to find. It'll be down in the description box. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.